guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the vlog and welcome to the another video, and it's me, LDR. Today is the second day of the month of December. So malapit na po ang Pasko. Ilang days na lang ay Pasko na at ilang days na din ay birthday na din ng aking pinakamamahal or pinaka-espesyal na tao sa buhay ko. Walang iba kundi si love. So, today ay napag-isipan ko mag-vlog. So, yun, mag-i-intro muna tayo. At after nito ay mag-aayos tayo. Mag-prepare tayo ng mga simpleng decoration lang dito sa loob ng kwarto ko dahil nga malapit yung birthday niya. So, gusto ko i-surprise siya sa kanyang birthday. So, simpleng surprise na naman or tinatawag natin video surprise. Yes. So, since nga na back to normal kami ulit and yun nga and hindi kami magkasama sa kanyang birthday. So, napag-isipan ko na gumawa ng vlog at gumawa na din ng simpleng surprise para sa birthday niya. And sana magustuhan niya ang aking simpleng surprise para sa kanya. Kaya, samahan niyo ako guys. So, sana maging successful ito ang ating surprise. Kaya, let's go!
You are the one I want. You are more than enough. You are the one for me. You make me happy, and I want you to love me. I want you to hold me. I want you to keep me close to you. I want you to need me. I want you to miss me. Kiss me like you do. I need you here, here right now. I'm breaking down without your love. I need you here, here right now. I'm breaking down without your touch. We are far.
So, ito yung message ko para sa imo, mahal, my loves, or love, o diba? So, the distance are nothing between us. What we have is love between us. On this special day of your birthday, all I want for you is to be happy. Even though we're so far apart, you're always on my mind and in my heart. I am one of a lucky girl who has won an amazing, kind, and silent person I have ever met in my life. You always make sure I'm smiling and having fun all the time. Thank you for always being such a caring and loving person to me. Thank you also for accepting me, and I would always dream of having someone whom I could share my heart with. And God give you to me. And yes, this is the day because the love of my life was born. I miss our super long video calls, and I wish you all the health and happiness, and may all your dreams come true, and God bless you with all the success in your life. Hi! Surprise, mahal! My loves and loves. So, again, happy birthday. So, today is your special day, and sana nagustuhan mo yung surprise ko para sa imo. Simpleng surprise lang or video surprise para sa birthday mo. Konting pa-message or konting twist para sa birthday mo. So, yon. So, since nga na hindi tayo magkasama sa birthday mo, ari ako, ara kada. So, but maraming paraan. So, as what I have said, kung gusto may paraan, kung ayaw may dahilan, o diba? So, yon yung surprise ko para sa imo, and tanay naging happy ka kag nag-enjoy ka sa pagtanaw sang video na para sa imo. And thank you so much. So, I hope and wish ko tani sa birthday mo subo maging happy ka. Yes, as always naman, happy ka. Happy birthday again, and I love you.